using a character outline as a drop cap. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to use a character outline as a drop cap. As I mentioned in my earlier tutorials, the drop cap is initial letter of the paragraph that is indented and enlarged for decoration purposes. So, if you are interested to learn how to create the drop caps from the scratch, the tutorial link is present in the card above and in the description. Let's learn how to use character outline as a drop cap. This is the most common type of drop cap found in magazines and newspapers. In this tutorial, we are going to create outlines. But why do we need to create outlines? Simple. There are some fonts that need permission to be printed. I have those kind of fonts. Let me show you some of them. Awesome Coat is one of those fonts. Let me apply this font on this text. Now, go to File and then Export. Ultimately, you will get this error. The font cannot be embedded due to licensing restrictions. Let's leave it the way it was. After I convert this text to outlines, then we will have no restriction problems. Okay, let's start using a character outline as a drop cap. Create a new InDesign document. Use the Type tool to draw a new text frame over here. Shortcut key is T. Let's type something over here. Jawad Soomro produces best InDesign tutorials. I'm going to give it letter font. Let's increase the font size. Now, select the J character from the first word. I'm giving it Awesome Coat font. Now, select this J once again, go to Type, and then Create Outlines. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-O. See, your letter had been converted into vector shape. Despite being a vector image, it is still contained within the text frame. Keep in mind, once you convert any text into outline, you won't be able to edit them with the Type tool. In case, if you are really not happy with the font, you can type here any character once again. Then apply any font style to it. Then, like before, create outlines. Simple as that. Now, take the selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Take this J vector image on this text frame. Right click on it, then choose Cut. Shortcut key is Ctrl X. Then paste it on the page. Ctrl V. This way, your letter won't be limited to the text frame area. We can freely position it anywhere we want. Let's enlarge this character vector image. Like this. Now, go to Window, then choose Text Wrap. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-W. Once your text wrap panel is opened, select this Outline J character, then click on this third button. Wrap around the object shape. Now see, the text has been attached to the J outline character. As I increase the font size of this text, you can see there are some words that are going beyond the J character. In this case, you can actually add the offset value in the text wrap panel to create the buffer area between the drop cap and the text. Let's increase the top offset value. You see, the text is moving away from the outline J character. However, you see this inconsistency in the offset. It is due to the gap of the J. You can even edit this buffer zone using the Direct Selection tool for complete control over your text wrapping. Then, simply use the Direct Selection tool by pressing A on your keyboard. Now, manipulate these anchor points till it forms a straight line. Now, it looks so perfect. Now, let's give this J character a green color. Wow, isn't it amazing? Now, you can also do one more thing. Let's remove the wrap from the J character. Take this character, then apply No Text Wrap effect from the Text Wrap panel. Press M on your keyboard to take the rectangle tool. Let's draw a rectangle over here. Give it a green color. Now, take this J character, right-click on it, then arrange it to the front. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift right square bracket. Let's make this J character white. Let's group them, Ctrl-G. Now, select both this group and the text. Then, apply the same text ref effect on them. Offset it a little bit. See, this is so helpful for creative people. If you want to use image as a drop cap in Adobe InDesign, then I have added the tutorial link in the description. Now, let's export this document as JPEG. See, InDesign did not ask me any permission at all, because the character is outlined already. That's the beauty of these design applications. Tip of the day. Never repeat drop caps in every paragraph. Keep the number of drop caps to a minimum. Otherwise, they will look boring. Always use them at the start of each chapter or section. This will allow the readers to return to the first paragraph of the chapter. But still, the decision is yours. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you to learn how to use character outlines as a drop cap in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can also email me at jawadsoomro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. Subscribe me now if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.